everyone, Monique here, Little Gems Creations 1. Today I'm going to show you how to attach a tassel. So right now I have this cute little tassel. I'll put a link in the description on how to make them. I have a tutorial on how to make them. And I'm just going to make sure that my sweater is turned inside in. And the way I know that is because I left a little thread here to tie my tassel onto. So I am going to grab my crochet hook. I'm going to go into the back of my hoodie here with my crochet hook. So this is my seam and I'm going right into that corner. I'm going to take my tassel. I'm going to attach it and pull through the string on one side, and then on the other side of my seam at the back I'm going to take the other strand, pull it through. Now we're going to go to the inside of the hoodie, and you see I have 3 strings here. I'm just going to tie them off, just proper box knot. And do that with all the strands. I'm using the orange is my main strand. And then I give a good tie to the 2. And then I take all those threads, I give them a cut. Now I leave a little bit extra length. I'm not cutting real close to the knot. And that's just because I don't want it to come unraveled. I know I did like 3 or 4 knots, but that's just one of my biggest pet peeves or fears is that the tassel come off. But it's on there pretty solid, and there we go. That is how you put a tassel onto a corner. So let's say you were making a pillow. You could do the same thing, follow the seam, get to the corner, attach it at the corner to a garment, to a sleeve, to the end of a poncho, that kind of thing. And then if you wanted to, the other way you could do it, and instead of having a knot like this, is you could also just weave in the ends, which I also have tons of tutorials on how to weave in your yarn ends. So I'll put those in the description as well. So check out the description, and if you haven't had a chance yet, hit that like and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. Bye now.